Pakistan is ranked lowest in health among the nuclear powers. With more than 160 million people and the growth rate of 2.8% stands among the most populous countries of the world. Almost 60 million people in this country do not have access to basic health facilities. Some 67 millions are compelled to drink unhygienic water, which is resulting in ever-mounting waterborne disease like cholera and diarrhea. Sadly, due to lack of health centers, 89% deliveries are conducted by traditional birth attendants at home, who are unable to manage the complications that may arise, and due to this many mothers and newborn babies have to bear the brunt. According to report, the maternal mortality rate in Pakistan, 86 women die for 1000 births. That is the highest rate in South Asia. This can easily be reduced by establishing basic health centers in rural areas by raising awareness among the people. Moreover, 90 million people have no basic sanitations. There is one doctor for 1,837 people, one dentist for 46,498 persons, and one primary care facility for 14,900 people, and one hospital bed for 1,503 persons. This shows a clear picture of our vastly deprived health sector. Unfortunately, our total expenditures on health is 2% of the GDP as compared to developed countries' 5 to 14%. According to official data, there are 1,27,859 doctors and 12,804 health facilities in the country to cater for over 170 million people. Pakistan Medical Association is very much concerned over the poor healthcare system of the country. If we talk about current outbreak of pandemic COVID-19, in this critical situation, the whole nation is suffering due to the lack of enough healthcare facilities in Pakistan. We also do not have as much testing kits, medical equipments, and enough beds in the hospitals. Also, there is no proper management for quarantine facilities where to isolate the suspected coronavirus patients. According to latest statistics reported by the government of Pakistan, there are at least 4,601 coronavirus infected people. More than 727 patients have recovered and 66 deaths has been confirmed in all over the Pakistan. Pakistan is improving very slowly in the healthcare sector for the last 5 decades. Therefore, the government needs to take strong initiative to change the current healthcare system.